sunshine, sunny day, lazy Sunday, but going to do some work on the old Holden, especially getting stuck into this plenum thing. Lots of stuff to do, lots of patches, and yeah, just got to get it done. Okay, as in the previous videos, I've done this bit. It's all in etch now, ready for getting some repairs. But I really want to start working on this bit, getting this all cleaned up and back in. I've had to pull it all apart because it has rust in lots of underpinned places. So I've got these two. This is the one out of the car. It's in pretty good nick. I mean, it's got this rusted out here. It's got rusted out there. But on here, it's good. So that's good. It's got a little bit of hole there, but yeah, this one's munted out. So it's actually pretty good nick. I'm not sure if I'll be using this one because I have got a heater core to go in that bit, but I reckon that'll clean up really nicely. But you can see how this one's trashed. This is good steel because it was up against that bit in there. But this one here is like rust, surface rust, but it could be salvageable. But yeah, I'm just going to take the good bits, put them on here, and then I've got to use this bit here. So there's like three layers of metal here. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So yeah, I think all I have to do is pull them all apart and make the best of them. Alrighty. Got this off eBay. It's supposed to be a spot weld remover. It's got some nasty teeth on there, but should work. I've seen it on a couple other videos that people have done. So kind of find your spot and then push down and choose it. So hopefully that'll work. Or not. Wow, I'm very surprised with this. It actually works really well. Like, that's come away really well. Sorry about the focusing. I like that. Just making light work of this. Sweet. Focusing. Good. No, I'm very happy with that. So I'll get this part separated, then I can get that part separated, and then I can start like sandblasting and getting bits ready. Well, would you look at that? This side took a little bit longer. That had not a spot weld, but a blob of weld. It was a lot larger than that side, but it's all come apart. It's good. This actually looks really good in here. It's all salvageable. Bit of rust coming through where that weld was. There's a hole there. I accidentally went through. Oops. So yeah, looks like should be some salvageable material. This is cool. Boy, that took a long time. There's so many spot welds on this thing. They are everywhere. I'm exhausted. I haven't even got these two apart. That's just one section. Bugger me. That's just fun. Okay, I'm done. That was a lot of work. Should we be able to salvage something out of these two? Or is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces? I think it's time to give it a break. I've got spare o'clock. So that was a long day, or a long afternoon. Alrighty, hopefully next one I'll have some bits sandblasted and hopefully some patch panels ready. Alrighty, good night and farewell.